Hello, welcome back to the Photoshop tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do a text behind a subject or an object. It takes about 60 seconds at most. Let's go. Okay, we've got this Halloween picture here, and we want to go ahead and add in text behind the girl here. First step, go up here to the top, go to select, and actually make sure you're clicked on the layer. Select subject. There we go. Now, it's going to select the girl, and if we look at it, it's done a pretty good job, but not perfect. So I'm going to head over here to the left side, and I'm going to grab my quick selection tool. I'm going to hold down the shift key, and I'm just going to add this little bit that it missed. Beautiful. I missed this part too. Doesn't matter, but whatever. We'll add it in. Okay, good. Next step, hit Control if you're on a PC, Command if you're on a Mac, plus the J button. That makes a new layer via copy. Now, we've got the girl on a new layer. Let's go ahead now and click on the text button, and I'm just going to type in, boo! Exclamation mark. Beautiful. Whatever. Something like that. Now, I'm going to center it here over her. And of course, we haven't got it behind her, but all you got to do now is just grab that layer that we made, the new layer, drag and drop it on top, and that's it.